Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2008 to 2009 Audi A8 and S8? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the 2008 and 2009 Audi A8 and S8, the passenger compartment fuse box manages interior and body electronics such as lighting, infotainment, climate control, seat and mirror functions, power windows, and convenience systems, ensuring stable operation of comfort and control features. In the 2008 and 2009 Audi A8 and S8, the passenger compartment fuse box on the right manages interior and body electronics such as lighting, infotainment, climate control, seat and mirror functions, ensuring stable operation of comfort and control features. Luggage compartment fuse box. In the 2008 and 2009 Audi A8 and S8, the luggage compartment fuse box supports high-load and rear vehicle systems such as audio and navigation units, seat adjustment and heating, parking assistance, suspension or comfort modules, and auxiliary power distribution for rear electrical functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.